Mugaru na mutugo wa maundu muthi ndumiriri ya maundu ria mahana irokire kurekererio kiroko gia tene ni minista wa Ugima wa Mwiri Mutahi Kagwe kuria kiharo kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta kioire ithenya ria wabici cia ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri hari kurekererio kwa ndumiriri ino. Minista Kagwe umagaretio ni Aruna ke Fred Matiang'i wa ugitiri wa thiini na James Macharia wa ukui marokire kiharo-ini giki kwamukira ndege ya Kenya Airways na iria yukire na indo itiganite cia guteithiriria hari bara ya kuhukia king'uki gia coronavirus bururi-ini. Riu igitanywo guteithiriria bururi gukinyaniria kioneki gia gutabania ithimi cia andu kimumu ihinda-ini inini ta uria koretwo ari kioneki hari kuhurana na king'uki giki.
These 200,000 sampling tubes are key to our ability to mass test Kenyans. Without these sampling tubes, we would not be able, and we were not going to be able to start our mass testing capability. But with these tubes now, we are able to fast track.
Kenya yamukirite indo ici kuma bururi wa China iria ni hamwe na irebeko cia kanua na maniuro 500,000, indo cia guteithiriria guthima andu murimu uyu 200,000, indo cia gukuneka iratu cia arigitani 4,000 aria mararigita arwaru a king'uki giki hamwe na ingi.
We were getting desperate for some of the items that are on this flight, and we are glad to see that the cooperation across all government agencies is what is going to help us in winning this war against this deadly epidemic.
Maya mokite oriri thirikari ithiite na mbere kunyitia muthiori niguo gutigirira ni ahotomia king'uki giki kumana na gutherema makiria bururi-ini kuhitukira gutashukia makinya ngurani ta kurugamia thabari cia kuingira kana kuuma nja wa icigo iria ihutitio na njira nene ni king'uki giki undu umwe na kuruta mukana wa kuuma nja utuku.
I want to confirm that we are doing everything we can to enforce the curfew, to enforce the guidelines that we have been given by the Ministry of Health, and we will step up what we need to do to ensure that we keep our people safe.
Ihinda-ini riu namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu niyongererekete na andu angi 12 na gukinyithia andu 246 aria mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu bururi-ini. 12 ya maumanite na andu 450 aria mekurikitie guthimwo murimu uyu kiroko kia umuthi. Kuria 5 ao ni arutu wira mikawa itiganite na iria andu aria marekwirwo gukorwo na murimu uyu makoretwo maigitwo keheri.
We have already tested about 450 samples. Out of these 450 samples, we have already got 12 positive cases, and we have not finished the day. And 5, for example, are hotel workers, and another 4 from our sampling, from our contact tracing.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.